channel, and this is another video about hair, and this is like second, third day, kind of like oily hair. So I try a new method to make my root more volumed, as you can see, and just some basic wavy, curly bangs and hair. Really cool to share with you guys here, and it's pretty fast and easy to do. So I honestly I have just finished my hair and decided to put out here right away. So that's why I'm here to make the intro. But now we're gonna jump in right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And by the way, this is the new earrings that I'm in love with so far. Goes really well with this hairstyle. The second day, so I will give it a little bit out of volume because I'm gonna use this comber. It's from, where is that from? Oh god, is that, this is brand. And I actually bought it from Amazon like a couple years ago. Oh, it's actually from Conair. Sorry. Okay, this is from Conair and Root Boost. So looking for this one. I believe they have the bigger barrel. If you guys have a longer hair and you start the process, and you can pick the bigger barrel. But me personally, I just picked the small one because I always keep my hair length about this much. So I don't want to, give it like too much of the volume. It's gonna look weird. So I'm gonna shape some of my hair, and as you guys can see, it's pretty oily. I will add a little bit of dry shampoo. Okay, here's the dry shampoo. I'm gonna apply some dry shampoo first. Brush through my hair one time. Okay, I'm gonna use this, and I have my mirror down here. Let me look down a little bit. I will have it on 339. So as you can see that it's crimped, so it's makes my hair more volume. So you can do on the back too. Okay, be careful because I don't want you guys to burn yourself. So I'm not I know that I look a little bit crazy, but that's okay. Brush through it. So you can also use this brush and check the hair that you want and cream it. Same one to the outside, over here. So you can see that my head actually is more rounder because I make my hair more, volume. So if you want, you can use some dry shampoo. But I'm gonna do one more layers because I want more volume. Because I know my hair will get slump easily. So I'm gonna do more layers. And this one, I'm gonna do longer. Like this. See, it already looks good. I'm gonna do this side over here. This is right. So this is looks good already. As you can see, my head actually look more, rounder, and I know it just makes me feel better. I will give it a little bit of the curves because I will to give it the curve. So once the root is warm up already, I think it's much easier to style the hair as how the way you want it. So me personally, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of the curve at the ends to make it like wavy style. It's gonna go with any dress that I will pick. So I haven't choose the one I want yet, but still. So if you guys know me, I always have the only way to do my makeup and my hair, but I still I feel like I still make it punctuate like here and there. So I'm gonna keep it right here. I'm gonna do this side. Since my hair is layers, I just need to really section my hair up to the curves, but I recommend you guys doing it because in that way it's easier. This is why I need to change my hair really good. Just this hair. So the top section, I'm looking at this top section. It's I don't know what missing colors. And if you imagine, I did dye my hair again by myself last week because I just cannot handle the way my hair look. So probably maybe next time I will go with some color like cooler brown, so that way I can keep it longer. I'm gonna apply some oils. I'm gonna use this one here. This serum scent, it has some pearly things in here, so it will make your hair shinier at night, I guess. So it's suitable for party, wedding. You can even use it on a daily basis, but I would recommend use it when you have some special events. And now I'm gonna do the bangs. So for the bangs, I will try to make it away from my face. Like this. A little bit here. I think we're good to go playing around with this canvas, which is the hair, and you can tie it up like a bun, or you can back, or you can on the side, or just basically just keep it like this. And we can hope that you guys enjoy the hair today, and see you guys on my next one. Bye! Don't forget to check out my new vlog, and thank you for watching this video. I hope if you guys recreate this look, please let me know. Like send me on Instagram, send me a DM on TikTok, or even put a picture before and after on here, YouTube. So I will let you guys go here. Bye!